Hi everyone, this is Jennifer, and today I'm going to be doing sort of my September setup plan with me. So I've had some requests for plan with me's, which I love doing, but one of the reasons they're hard for me to do is that my planner's kind of always in use. So I usually don't just sit down and do a whole week or month at a time. So I'm gonna share with you what I already have done for September, just as they've come up, and then I'm gonna fill in the rest of my stuff for the month and kind of talk about my process. So the first thing is I keep my planner cake kits by month in these albums. So you will see that as soon as I got my September kit in, I went ahead and put the day headers and the washi there at the top. So that is off of my kit. And my monthly kit is always the first one in my binder. So she usually doesn't do this, and I didn't realize it. She offered this kit $249 with the plaid or the apples, and I honestly accidentally ordered both of those. So I went ahead and used the plaid, and I'll probably just save this for another year. I will need my date dots. I don't use them as date dots. I use them on my notes section, and I will show you that. And I will need the second sheet of that. So if you're in the store, you can search for her monthly kits. And I buy sheets 1, the 7x9 sheet 1, and the 7x9 sheet 2. Okay, so the first thing that I usually do on my month view is set up my birthdays and anniversaries. And the thing I love about being in a binder is that I can just take that page right out and work on it. So this is my home binder. It houses a bunch of our stuff for our house, and one of those inserts is this from Peanuts Planner Co., and it has birthdays and anniversaries. So I'm gonna look at September, and I'm gonna copy those over onto my sidebar, and I use my date dots. So I'm gonna put those down and list their birthdays. Okay, so all of those are in, and then I'm gonna grab the other part of my month view here so I can look at the whole spread and decide what events I need to put down. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use some of the stickers that come on the monthly planner cake kit. We do not have school on Labor Day. And then I'll mark my paydays. And then I think those are the only days off in my paydays. Now I'm gonna mark we get out of school early on the 4th. And then those are the things I know off the top of my head. What I usually do is take out my monthly insert for my traveler's notebook, because my traveler's notebook goes everywhere with me, and sometimes things come up when I'm on the go and I write them in here and I need to transfer them back to this for my home binder. So if I look at my September monthly, this is from So Much Crafting. It's a standard size notebook. It's just out of my binder cover from the Foxy Fix. I need to mark the 9th is Planner Kate November releases. And then on the 26th, I'm going to use one of these big boxes. They cover the full box on your calendar because it's sort of a big day. We should be having a church wiener roast. You know, with COVID, I don't know how that's going to go, if we'll even have it, but I'm going to go ahead and put that in there just in case. We have been pretty lucky where I live in central Illinois and haven't had too many COVID cases here. Okay, so there's that. And I think I'm also going to mark church payday. I'm the treasurer for the church. So I'm gonna make sure I get them their checks on the right day. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on Wednesday nights we have a small group study. And I will go ahead and mark all of those. I do also like to keep track of my health and my cycle when I start meds and stuff, so I need to remember to do that on the 4th and the 11th. And then I think that's all I have right now. Usually my months are a little more full than this, but with COVID and everything, these are basically the things that I know about right now. And then we'll jump into the monthly dashboard. I apologize in advance. Like I said, my planner is a working planner. It's always in progress, so I do have some things down already. But I will share with you, I do use the Planner Kate monthly dashboard kits. So I have September 100 here with the purple, and then I have next month's just to show you what the full sheet looks like. I do not use all of the stickers on this page in the kit, but I do use the monthly goals sticker up here and the habit tracker down here. So I need to write in my monthly tasks, and they're the same for me every month, so I'll just refer back to August and write those in that section. You can see this was my August page with my monthly tasks here. And let me grab, I keep my checklists here in my script sticker binder. It's kind of overflowing. So I'll just grab one in the purple, and actually, so this sheet right here are in the Planner Kate colors. This sheet is in the Erin Condren colors, so I'll grab one of these because it'll be a perfect match. And I will write those in. Okay, so I wrote in my monthly task here, I take inventory of my pantry and make a master grocery list and throw away any expired items. I wash all the quilts and the blankets in the house. I wipe down our light switches and plug-ins and that sort of thing. Those get dirty quickly. I change out our fish tank filters. I move our furniture and vacuum underneath those. I clean the washer and dryer, and I wipe down our baseboards. I already have in here the monthly goals that I want to accomplish, and some of those have just carried over from August, the things I didn't get done. I rewrote them for September. And then this section here I always use for the planner cake kits because I reference this when I'm placing my order. So on September 9th, she'll launch the November kits. These are the kit numbers and the mini kit numbers, and you can find those on the Planner Kate Facebook group in the announcement pin post section. And then real quick, I'm gonna write in my habits for the month, and then this page will be complete. Okay, so this page is done. I have them back in my binder. I'm not gonna add anything else to this right now. I did use a couple of purple flags for places to go and things I wanna do around the house. And then I'll show you these. They're in here as well. This is the new Jen Plans font. And I have a section here in my script binder just for those, I think. Well, they're not in there, so video fail right there, but they should be in there, so who knows? Who knows where I put them? But they are the months and they match the color, so of course I labeled this September, and then I need to put in 2 more checklists here and I'll be set. All right, so there you have it. That is my completed monthly spread for the calendar section, and of course I'll add to it as things come up. And then you can see how I set up my dashboard pages using the dashboard kit. If you have any questions at all about how or where I put things that I didn't go over, leave a comment below and I'd be happy to get back to you. And as always, thanks for watching and happy planning.